Hey there, Jasmine Holmes with 910 West, a digital marketing company. I'm back with another business tip. This month I am going to do something a little different. However, I will still tie it into Where's Waldo. So if you've been watching this series, never fear, we're not going to lose our theme. But with everything that's going on, I wanted to do something just really short and sweet and to the point. And so what I am going to share with you today is we work with wellness businesses, naturopaths, chiropractors, alternative medicine. And one of the reasons we do that is because my team and I are big believers in the connection between my body and the importance of physical wellness as well as mental wellness and the services that the very clients that we work with provide. And so with that in mind, we've gathered our favorite free resources to help you beat boredom and overcome anxiety. And we've got those links in the page below. So check those out. Great free resources. If you have something of your own that you'd like to share, we'd love to hear about it. So either send us an email or post a comment and we'll add that to our list. We appreciate all of those. I think right now we could all use a little bit more just happiness in our life and joy. And so please partake, enjoy what we have for you. And to tie it back to Waldo, while he is not in our list, he absolutely is a great way to both beat boredom and overcome anxiety. So if none of the resources we have below appeal to you, perhaps pull out a Where's Waldo puzzle and give that a try as well. Thank you so much and see you next month.